Kumusta?
Kumusta? Kumusta? Fire start.
Kumusta? Fire status. Do I have to have
Don't
an
put the
accent?
accent. Don't put the accent. Delicious.
Hey everyone, so today we're going to do something really awesome. Leading up to my trip to the Philippines, I thought it would be really cool if I kind of, I guess, engaged in the culture a little bit more and got more into it.
He brought an actual Filipino.
So I brought an actual Filipino. So today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be learning Tagalog.
Tagalog, yeah.
So today what I'm going to be learning is Tagalog. Better or
Good
worse?
enough, good enough.
Yeah, I need
All
that.
right.
What he's going to do is he's going to teach me the language and
Basic language.
basic. Maybe I'm not gonna know everything, alright? But we're also gonna try out some Filipino snacks. These are snacks that I got off of Amazon, so bear with me if it's not authentic.
Okay.
I have this box
Surprise me.
that I got out of Amazon. So let's see what it is inside this.
Hopefully. Oh my gosh, I've never had this. I don't
Is
know.
it authentic though, or no?
I have never seen this in my life.
See, look, it says, made in the Philippines. It's official.
Wow, really? You never had this before?
Okay.
Sparkinheart good.
Oh wow. I feel like I need some water though.
Yeah, no, a lot of the Filipino snacks are really dry.
Okay. You probably want something to drink with that. I'm using this. It's not from the Philippines though.
It's fine.
Should I get water from the Philippines?
No, Filipino water. Filipino water is actually not very sanitary. Don't just, if they hand you water in a glass, don't accept it. Ask for bottle.
Oh, good,
Yeah.
good tip, good tip.
Yeah, because I think we had a doctor who visited the Philippines and major diarrhea.
If you didn't hear that, he said major diarrhea.
Let's start with the basic Filipino lesson.
But yeah, let's go with the basic lesson.
Alright, grab your food.
Okay.
What we have in our hand is melon cake, but
Melon cake.
this is a snack. And snack in Tagalog is merienda.
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 Merienda. Right? With an R?
Yeah.
Merienda. Am I saying it?
M-I is pronounced like M-I. Me.
Me.
Merienda.
Oh, merienda.
Yeah, we're having
Oh.
merienda.
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 Merienda. Now you pick this time.
Okay, I'll pick them. Oh my gosh, nagaraya! But I know exactly what that tastes like. It's salty peanuts.
Okay.
No, there's a peanut inside, or it's a nut, and a salty outer shell. I don't know what that's made out of. This is an authentic snack. Yes, you will find this in the Philippines.
Okay, I'm gonna try it right now. He's not a fan.
Yes. And you know how to say it's too spicy.
Oh, is there a lot of spicy stuff out there?
Yes, and I refuse to try all of them. But when I try spicy stuff, I tend to complain and I say masyadong maanghang. Masyadong means too, maanghang means spicy.
Okay.
Too spicy.
Say that again.
Masyadong maanghang.
Masyadong amanghang.
Masyadong maanghang.
Masyadong amanghang. Close enough? No?
Correct.
So
Okay.
now what kumusta is hello.
Hello. Yes, but you're gonna be encountering a lot of people who are, much older than you. Well, not just much older than you. If you see someone within your age range, or if you see someone like much older or at a higher rank than you, it's usually a sign of respect. You don't just say kumusta. You just say kumusta po. Po, meaning just showing your sign of respect. Because we do that to all our elders. I do it to my aunts, uncles, and my grandmas. So
Kumusta stepo.
kumusta po.
Bo.
Mhm.
Kumusta bo.
Po.
Po.
P-O.
P-O, okay. Kumusta
Kumusta
po.
po. Yeah.
Kumusta
formality.
po. If
Formality.
you're watching and you're a little bit older or ranked up above me, I want to say kumusta po. Is it close enough? No?
That's fine. No, it's fine. But since like we're equal, you can just say kumusta. It's just weird if you say
kumusta.
Kumusta. Yeah, kumusta, Sean.
What, don't you say it to me, kumusta po? Because I'm older than you?
I mean, yeah, but I see.
Yeah, you start calling me that now. You start saying Next deck. This one feels weird. What is this?
Try it. Bring it.
Oh, I've actually had these before.
No, these are.
I've actually eaten these before, tons of times.
Okay, I want you to guess how do you say mango in Tagalog.
Mango. 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 Mango.
Close. Manga.
Manga. Oh, I was so close.
Yeah, my
Dude, I eat these all the time. This is my favorite brand, too. Delicious.
Yeah. Do you want to know how to say this is tasty?
Yeah.
You say masarap yung pagkain.
Masala.
Masarap.
Mess it up.
Masarap.
It sounds like you're saying mess it up.
No.
Sa.
Masarap.
Rap.
Masarap
Masarap.
yung
Yung.
pagkain.
Pagkain.
Yeah. The food.
Masarap. Pagkain. Dang it, I almost had it. I had it almost. Okay. How do you say after you eat all this food, you have to use the bathroom?
Busog na ako. Well, you say you're busog, meaning you're full.
Okay.
And then you say
Busog. Busog.
busog.
Say it one more time. slow.
Busog.
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 Busog. Busog.
There's no N. There's no NG.
Busog. Right? Busog.
Gagamitin ko lang yung banyo. So that's when I say that. I'm full.
Okay.
I'm just gonna use the bathroom.
Okay. So baño is bathroom. That's like Spanish.
Kind of. Yeah. Tagalog is like Spanish and Japanese had a baby. That's how I view it. So, you're finished eating, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So you're full. Just say busog na ako.
Busog na ako.
Close. Busog na ako.
Busog na ako.
And then you say sit
And you
down.
rub your tummy. Busog na ako.
Well, yeah, just to give them a sign that you are full. Oh,
So
water is common. Ask for too big.
too big.
Too big. Yeah, it's like
Water?
too big, but like too big.
Too big.
Yeah, that means water.
Well, how do you say it in bottle?
Bottle. Well, cause bottle is bote.
Bote.
Yeah, bote.
Bote.
Yeah.
Too big. Bote. Too big.
Okay.
So let's try this next snack. We got tons in here, so.
Okay. I feel something hard, but I'm gonna figure out. Yes, Choco Mellows. These things are so unhealthy. This is amazing.
So we're gonna eat this.
So I'm not just gonna teach you words. I'm also gonna teach you a few things you need to know when you're gonna be there. You are going to be fed. And not only that, we love foreign. Sorry.
Okay, if you guys never seen these things, this is what they look like on the inside. Isn't that presentation so amazing? That just makes you want one even more. So go ahead.
Anyways, if you want to say something sweet, you say matamis. Matamis.
Matamis.
Yeah.
Matamis.
Yeah, that was pretty good. We're gonna take a quick break from the language, and I'm gonna tell you a few things you have to know when you go there. Okay, one, people don't see foreigners often, right? I don't necessarily know if it's gonna happen to you, but I know some people actually get touched, like they're gonna touch your hair, your skin, you're gonna grab your clothes. I don't know why it's so fascinating to me, but I really, really love it when foreigners go to the Philippines. Finally, diversity. And not only that, I really love it when they marry the women and men.
Hey, I would totally marry a
Do it.
Filipino woman.
Do it.
Totally.
If you find a woman who is interested in you there, pursue her. You want to know how to call her beautiful?
Yes, actually yes.
Okay. Just call her maganda yung mukha mo.
Mutu. Do I have to do this hand gesture that you did?
No, that would just be exaggerating.
Okay, so say
Yeah.
it slow.
Maganda.
Maganda.
That just means beautiful.
Maganda.
And say casually, ang ganda mo.
Ganda mo.
Ang ganda mo.
Ang ganda mo.
It just means like, oh, you're beautiful.
Oh, ang
Yeah.
ganda mo. Ang
Yeah.
ang ganda mo.
That they're gonna know.
Ang ganda mo.
No.
Ang ganda mo.
Oh my gosh. Those are great. Okay. Also another thing you need to know. Customs. How to be respectful. You want to know how to be respectful to
Okay.
these people. Okay. Entering their house. Shoes off. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Definitely shoes off.
Shoes off. And preferably you should like wear flip flops most of the time because it's really hot.
Yell out, "I'm single, marry me."
Okay. I I was not taught relationship words because I was like 5 or 6.
Oh.
So I don't know.
If you guys know, comment below.
Yeah.
All right, take the next
hold on,
snack.
hold on. Oh my gosh, you did bring it!
Toasted wheat cake, sweet melon.
You definitely have to try bullet.
Oh yeah, actually that's the only thing I know about. Someone told me, and I went and
Be scared and be very scared.
Yeah, so what's it?
But do it anyway.
Yeah, but you know what? If you YouTubers would be happy and subscribe to my channel and like my videos, I would eat it. I mean, what's it gonna do?
Bring some back here, because I will.
If this video hits 1 million, I'll bring one home for him. Sorry, buddy, it's gotta hit 1 million. I don't know how you would ship that though, like.
Yeah,
all
no,
that, right?
actually, you shouldn't.
Yeah,
I don't
it
do
seems like
I
it'd
don't
be
do it.
dangerous.
Yeah,
This
or,
thing's
you know,
really hard to open. Yeah, I'm ready. Sorry.
Okay, don't open it all the way.
You guys want to see it up
And
close?
then again, I don't care. I eat them anyway. So I will try. Okay, ready?
Ready?
I eat it. 3, 2, 1. Don't. Oh. We always do that. It's like cinnamon challenge.
Oh my god. It's really good though. The taste is really good.
That's great. I'm glad you like this food. Yeah,
That's it. We ate them all.
Now let's back to language. What else do you want to know? Like categories, like
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
subscribe.
Or just subscribe to YouTube. That'd be good enough.
There's-
YouTube's though its own word. I understand that, right?
Okay. YouTube and subscribe are.
Oh, really?
Words.
So there we go. Subscribe to YouTube. Speaking the language.
Yeah. Don't be.
Well, I think that's it then.
Yeah. Okay.
So thanks, bud, for coming over.
Salamat. I just say salamat. That just means thank you.
Salamat.
Salamat lahat sa'yo.
Thanks for watching, and remember, spark a heart, change a life. See you next time.
Alam.
Bye.